Hi, this is Keith from Belsar AI, and one of the tools we needed to make internally was an MCP server for Joplin. The easiest way to install is to go to our website, belsar.ai, visit our GitHub, then click on Joplin MCP. Now we've got quick starts for Claude, Codex, and Gemini. I happen to like Gemini the best, so I'm going to install the Gemini CLI extension. And if you ever want to uninstall, we also got these three uninstall scripts that fully remove it. Yes, I want to install. Joplin does need to be running while you're using this MCP server. Go up to Tools, Options. The web clipper needs to be enabled. I already have it enabled, so I don't need to re-enable it. But I usually just run this minimized in the background. All right, so now that it's installed, we can actually use this. And we'll say extensions list just to verify. And you can see there I already had GitHub MCP server installed and Joplin MCP. List my notes about installing Linux. And it's already context aware, so it knows that it has access to that Joplin MCP server. If you get a token error here, restart your terminal. We're going to always allow it to do the search. So here it is. These are my two notes. These are the only two notes I have in Joplin because I'm a Fedora user. So I've got my personal install and my work install. You know, you can create, remove, delete, basically all of the different CRUD operations for tags, notes, notebooks, attachments even. One of the other nice things about working with Joplin is that you can do Mermaid diagrams. So here, I'm just going to do a silly one, which is showing how Bill is passed on Capitol Hill. Typically I'd be using this for doing like system design if I have a big system design for an application that I'm working on. So I'm going to allow this. I'm going to open up Joplin so we can actually see the diagram that it builds. So I'll say yes, allow it to create the note. And here is the diagram that it just created of the whole flow, how a bill is made, the whole congressional process. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.